Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I typically on this channel talk about making money, mistakes to avoid, personal finance, productivity, and I just felt like it would be nice to do a chit chat video, random video about spending money. Instead of saving money, investing, let's talk about spending money. I love spending money, I love shopping, I love buying things, and I do buy a lot of things regularly. So I want to talk about some of the best things that I bought that upgraded my life, made me more productive, and hopefully increased my earning potential. The first thing that I bought, I absolutely love, is my AirPods. The AirPods have been really great for me because they have great, audio, great bass, noise cancellation is amazing. I travel a lot for work. I'm always on planes. I used to have like massive headphones, which kind of could be difficult to like take out to hear announcements or to speak to somebody. But my AirPods, I could just put them in, and then like when I want to talk to someone, I just take them out. And another thing about the AirPods, there's this feature where they read out notifications to you. Also really great when you are going through the boarding process. If someone sends me a text, sends me a message, I can immediately just hear what the message is, and it's amazing. So yeah, increase my productivity, helps me focus, helps me not waste time always reading notifications. The second purchase that I made in 2023 is my glasses. I did not used to use glasses. I noticed that things were blurry, but I just felt like that's how it was. I thought everybody was seeing things blurry. But then my office, my job offers vision insurance every year, and it expires every year. So I just felt like, let me maximize my benefits and let me just take an eye test. So I went to Warby Parker, that's where I got my glasses from, and I did an eye test, and apparently I needed glasses. And I remember when I got the glasses and I wore it was like, wow. No, honestly, I was like, oh my god, I am seeing for the first time. So this has definitely improved my productivity because, I can see things more clearly. I don't have to walk too close. I don't have to go so close to things to be able to see them. Life just looks brighter, looks cheerful. I feel happy whenever I wear my glasses. So definitely would recommend getting an eye test, making sure that your eyes are doing well. And if you need glasses, getting one. The other thing was an at-home nail kit. I love to do my nails, and I know in this video my nails are not done. And then doing nails in the US costs a lot of money. When I'm doing my nails, I cannot use my hand. I talk a lot on this channel about outsourcing things to save time, and that is true. But for me, anything that I'm outsourcing has to free up my hands because I use my hands a lot. If I'm going to be doing anything productive, I do them with my hands. Like either I'm working on my laptop or I'm reading a book with my hands or something. So whenever I'm making my nails and I go to the nail salon, my hands are occupied. That leaves me to just listen to a podcast or listen to a sermon or something. And I just feel like whether I'm doing the thing myself or I'm doing it in a nail salon, my hands are occupied. In that case, I might as well just continue doing them myself. So I bought myself a full, at-home nail kit, and I do my nails myself. And I spend the time listening to a podcast, watching a movie, speaking to friends and family on the phone. Like I use that time productively. But doing my nails myself has given me the opportunity to save that money that I would have used to make my nails for 2 weeks or 3 weeks. And I can do it myself and keep the money and use it for something else. Another thing that I bought in 2023 that I absolutely love is my Stanley Cup. Yes, I'm one of them. I am one of the Stanley Cup girls, okay? I saw it on TikTok and I was like, oh, what the hype? It's so much hype. And I was on Target one day, buying something by like 11 p.m. Personal finance advice: do not go shopping late at night. You will buy things you do not need. But thankfully, I bought this Stanley Cup, and I felt initially that it was like one of those things that you buy that you don't actually need. But it has actually been really helpful. I drink like 2 or 3 of this every day, and the fact that it's just tall, it's close. Like many times, if you see me working, this is how I work. Like working like this. And because it's just close to my mouth, it's so easy to just drink it. And because it's a straw, I don't know about you, but I noticed that I drink water quicker when I'm drinking through a straw than when I'm drinking through like a glass. Because I'm drinking through a straw, I find that I actually drink a lot more water than I would if I was drinking through like a water bottle. So you should definitely buy a Stanley Cup. Another valuable purchase of mine is my iPhone 15 pro. I don't need to say this. The iPhone is actually a productivity machine if you know how to use it. And I made a video about how I use my iPhone to improve my focus and productivity. I'll link that up here, and I'll not go into details with that. But my iPhone has been a blessing in many ways. Taking pictures, taking videos, making calls, reading articles, reading books on the go. Like, I have a Kindle, but I can also read, on my phone, connecting with people, tracking my YouTube channel, responding to you guys' comments and all. iPhone, absolutely recommend. Another thing that I bought, and this is actually a productivity item, is this Pomodoro clock. Like, it's very small, very cute. It comes in different colors. This comes in like orange and has like a white case. And what this does is, when you're working, you can actually like set the timer to 3 minutes, and the thing begins to count down. And then when it is done, it's exactly, it makes that. And if you don't know what the Pomodoro technique is, this is a technique that I used a lot when I was studying for my GMAT and my CFA. It's basically that you work for a set amount of time, and then you take breaks, and then you come back. The typical Pomodoro, the most common Pomodoro timer sequence is you work for 25 minutes, and then you take a 5 minutes break, and then you take a break and come back to work. During the break, you do something different. Not necessarily something that can distract you, like pressing your phone or watching movies, but you just change your environment. You could do a chore, you could look outside, go outside, take a walk, something like that. And this is really helpful. Even as I work, even as I started my 9-to-5 job, this helps me to just remain focused. Especially because I work really long hours. Sometimes I work 14 hours a day, 16 hours a day. This helps me a lot of times. So very cheap, really great purchase. I bought it on Amazon. And another really nifty purchase is my Kindle. So I watch a lot of productivity YouTube, obviously, and many of them recommend Kindle, and they recommended it for many years. But as someone that reads books on my phone, I kind of felt like, what's the point of having a Kindle? But then I bought one for myself as a birthday present, and it has been so amazing. First of all, the fact that stuff is in grayscale, it helps with focus actually. And many times when I was reading with my phone or my iPad, I tend to get distracted a lot. Like, I'm reading with my phone and a notification comes up, and immediately, I switch focus. Or I'm on my phone and I'm reading and I remember something and I want to Google it, and while I'm Googling it, my mind goes to a million and one place, or someone calls me. But with this Kindle, I'm literally just only reading, and it's so good. Especially because I read a lot in bed. I read when I'm about to go to bed. And that's why using my phone to read was very bad, because I would find myself on the bed doing TikTok, doing Instagram. I would find myself, when my alarm rings in the morning, because my phone is so close to my bed, I just snooze it and go back to bed. And I'll make a video about how to wake up early, because I wake up early every single day, and I've done that for years. And having my phone in a different room is one of the key ways that I wake up early. And if I keep my phone in a different room, I'm not able to read before bed. If I don't read before bed, I'm not able to hit my reading goals. And that's where the Kindle comes. It's very lightweight, it's very small, so I can just like lie down and read, and it solves my problem. So I 100% recommend getting a Kindle. Another thing that I bought, and this is very, very funny, are these two things. So these things are like, I don't know what I'll call them, figures from IKEA, right? So there are two. Okay, this one is a hand figure, and as you can see, you can make the hand into anything you want. You can get it to do like a one. You can get it to do like a peace sign. Yay! You can get it to wave. You can even get it to hold stuff. And honestly, the benefit of this thing is just joy. Okay, a large part of productivity, a large part of saving money, making money is just to be happy. There's nobody that I know that does not want to be happy. Everybody wants to be happy, and this thing just makes me happy. I have it in a nice place in my house, and anytime I see it, it gives me joy, and that's why I bought it. It's very cheap purchase, not expensive, but it gives me joy. Yay! Whatever. So yeah. let's keep this. And this other one too as well. This is like a man, and it's very good because you can make this person do anything. You can put him in a walking stance. I think his head is a bit twisted. Yeah, okay, cool. You can make him say hi to you at the door. Because like it's like, oh hi. You can get it to say hi to you at the door. You can get it to, let me see, what can you get it to do? Yes, yay. So anyway, these two things, as I said, it's just joy. It gives me joy. It's like a toy, and it makes me happy. And when I'm happy, I can be productive. I can make good decisions. Hopefully, I can make good personal finance decisions, and all is good in the world. Another thing that I bought as well is a wool coat from Aritzia, and this was my very first Aritzia purchase, and I love it. I live in a very cold area in the United States. I always dress in parkas, and they're very big, huge, and everything. When I started work, I was really concerned about how I would present myself, wanting to present myself in a professional light. And so I started researching coats, and I wanted a coat that would fit all outfits. I wanted a coat that would last for a long time and looked really nice. I said it in my video about investing in yourself. Your personal image, how you present yourself, is very, very key to how you're perceived, to the opportunities that you receive, to how people treat you in general. So I always care about how I look, and this jacket has been amazing, and has served me throughout the cold season. This jacket has a temperature rating of minus 15 Celsius. That is really, really warm, and I noticed that most times since I started using it going to work, I'm okay. Even in cold, even in snow, I'm very okay. So I 1000% recommend if you're looking for a coat. Aritzia really has nice coats. Another thing, and this is very nifty, is a package opener. So as I said, I like to buy stuff. I'm always buying things from Amazon regularly, and before I got these things, I always struggled to open packages. I will use my key, I will use a fork, I will use different things, and it was just a mess until I discovered package openers. I found them on TikTok, and I was like, yes, lifesaver. It's very tiny, and I keep it everywhere with me. It helps me just open packages neatly, carefully, and makes me productive. Another purchase that I really love is a scent machine. So I have this scent machine in my house. If I enter my house, I have a scent. I have scents for different seasons. I'm someone that likes scents. I love perfumes. I like things smelling nice. Again, this is just joy. It brings me joy, and when I'm happy, I'm more productive. I do better at work. I make better financial decisions when I'm happy. I don't know about you, but I know myself. If I'm stressed, I'm sad, I'm in just a bad state of mind, I can stress shop, I can make bad decisions. So I try my best to make sure that my environment is full of things that produce happy hormones, okay? And this scent machine is one of the things. Imagine coming into your house. As I said, I travel a lot for work, and I come into my house late at night, long trip, and I'm just immediately hit with a nice smell of Santal 33 in my home. Amazing. So this is one of the purchases that thrills me, gives me joy. And many of my friends who have been to my house have gone on to buy this scent machine. So I know that it's a great purchase, and that's why I'm mentioning it here. Another thing is makeup cleansing balm. So I wear a lot of makeup. I like to look presentable, and I also like to care about my skin. I have really good skin. Many people tell me I get compliments of my skin every time I leave my house. And one of the ways that I ensure that using makeup does not clog my pores and affect my skin is by using a makeup cleansing balm. This is important because before I found this balm, I used to clean my face by just soap, using soap alone. And many times, if you clean your face after wearing makeup with just using soap, if you try cleaning your face with like micellar water or any other face cleansing liquid, you will realize that your face is actually still dirty. There's still makeup on your face. But using an oil cleansing balm actually breaks down the makeup. And first of all, it saves me time. Before, to clean my makeup, I can spend like 5-10 minutes just trying to get my face clean of no makeup. But if I use an oil makeup cleansing balm, it takes away the makeup immediately. It cuts the time that I have to cleanse my face in half, and my skin is clean, my pores are clear, my pores have space to breathe, and my glowing skin has time to shine. And the last thing is skincare. Again, in the video about investing in yourself, I mentioned skincare. Good skin, right? It's just good. Just investing in beauty, investing in taking care of your skin. Your body, like your body is your house. You're going to carry this body for the rest of your life. Taking care of it is very important to me. And skincare is one way that I take care of my body, of my skin. And last year I started investing in serums. So there are 2 serums that I use: vitamin C serum and hyaluronic acid serum. And I buy them from The Ordinary. They're very inexpensive. They don't cost a lot of money. But using them consistently has really transformed my skin. As I said, my friends, strangers on the plane, in the dentist shop, in the grocery, in the Uber, people always compliment my skin. And these are the 2 serums that I use. This year I plan to upgrade and add more to my routine, but for now. And also, of course, I have to thank my parents for good genes. But beyond that, like, there are times when people didn't need to compliment my skin, but now they do. And I know that one reason is because I've taken time to, work on my skin by using this serum. So I 100% recommend. Again, this is a fun purchase that helps me to be productive. It also helps me to invest in how I present myself, which definitely is going to, catapult itself to building wealth and my earning potential. So this video has been very chit-chatty. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are new here, my name is Tayo. I am a former investment banker. I'm a chartered financial analyst, and on this channel I make videos about personal finance and productivity. And I also make random fun videos like this once in a while. So if you like this content, definitely subscribe and like this video. And if you care about investing in yourself, like I said a lot in this video, I have a whole video where I speak about more ways in which you can invest in yourself immediately. You should go and watch that. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.